Is your kitty struggling with their weight? Well, mine is too. I kid you not, all this girl does is eat and sleep all day long. So I decided to get her on a diet just for the better of her health. But I'm not a pet expert, so I needed someone to help me with the job. Luckily, my dad's an expert when it comes to pet nutrition. My dad's been running a small business for 30 years called Spoiled Brats. It is located on 340 West 49th Street in Midtown Manhattan. The store has everything that your furry friends will need. But for the next couple weeks, we'll be documenting my cat's journey on her diet. Stay in tune and we're going to show you guys the results.